Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Inderjeet Singh, and I'm a student of International English Institute. And here we are playing a debate game in which my team is supporting the separate education, and the forward team is supporting the co-ed education. So let's begin this.
So with due respect, I would like to put forward the point in the support of co-education. And of course, like in the support of co-education, it promotes equal gender, and it also reduces the gender discrimination as well. Because back in the day, we used to observe a lot about how the women were treated in the ancient times. We all have observed about that thing. So in my opinion, the co-education is more important and crucial for to know each other.
Okay, so I am not agree with your point, because we all know that in separate education we can see how if boys studies together, so they can easily focus on their study very well, and they can also gain so much marks in their subjects. And another side, we can also take the example of so many boys and girls who study in separate school, and they can easily not distract any opposite gender. That's why we always focus on these things. And we can also take the example of some in previous time, in Gurukul times, the people always try to get so benefit from the separate education.
So those students who belong to the co-education, they are very very familiar with the boys and girls, and then how they have nature. And those students who take the classes in co-education, they can be familiar with the gender, doesn't whether the gender is boys and the girls. So I think these genders are very
I am not agree with your point. In my opinion, if boys and girls are read together, so there is a lots of chance to lack of focus, lack of concentration. It's a human fact when we human attract to opposite gender. Okay, so if women, we are all women, so it's a higher chance to attract to another gender. So there is a lack of focus and lack of concentration.
As I'm from also the separate education, so I know very well which kind of mindset they have with this, which kind of greediness they show to see a girl. Whenever they see a girl, so it shows like they are totally greedy to see a girl, like they are not familiar with this kind of the things. Whenever I'm talking about the co-education, so I know very well whenever we support a co-education, so it shows a good unity by which they can easily communicate with each other, and they are also familiar with this kind of the things. So when I think that whenever we study together, so I think that we can easily know how to respect.
So how can say co-education is better then, because we have also like a brother and sister also, and mother also. We can talk very easily and improve lots of things in the home also. And there is like 90% college and school also like a separate also, because our senior like principal and sir very know very well which kind of situation in this era, like that, like a student very attracted to much girls and boys. It's like a wrong way, because in this era not a very bad way. So in this international also, like sir not like a supporting.
Sir, this is something I really found ridiculous or being stereotyped, because in the many countries we have seen like the stereotype thinking, like they were not treated the girl as a human as well. So I think that is very important, because the current situation, the women are not just limited to being housewives. They are also know how to make their career, how to make their something as well. But also I'm supporting in the co-education as well, so that they can respect the genders as well, and also it contributes the GDP of growth of the country as well.
So, ma'am, I want to stop you for that, saying that separate education is really important, because the girls can focus towards on his goal and the boys can focus towards on his goal. So that is really important for someone, because nowadays people don't realize that how much important study is. We just want to enroll in a relationship because our friend circle is like that. They always say that if you are not in a relationship, then you are just a loser. So this thing is really important, that we are learning separately and just focus towards on our goal. When we become something, then we can do that thing after that. So I think the government should promote separate education.
I think guys, you all are talking about rubbish, because you all are here. We can like doing a co-education. That's why we are here. So why you are supporting in a separate education? Like co-education is better than separate education, because we all are like present in a now era. So why we are talking about like a separate education, so it's a better co-education. So how you can say that like a separate education is better? In a previous time, like people doing this kind of thing in a Gurukul, there are many kind of thing, but in this time co-education is better. That's why government always support in a co-education. So how you can say that like a separate
ma'am,
education best?
I'm cutting a point. Like in this era, we all know that students are, when students, girls and boys study together. Like girls, we can say when we study together, that time two boys fight for girls. I was also from co-education. That time I saw many times many boys fight for girls. This thing we can see when girls and boys sit
Okay,
together.
sir, I want to say something. I'm not agree with you as you can mention these all things. So I want to say like if co-education is important for because girls and boys they can share each and everything with each other. Like girls sometimes if you have a girl's friend they can share like how you help another girl, how you help your mother in a kitchen. Many things are you learn by the girl. Okay, so
I am not agree with your point. I know this era is very like a modern era, but there is a lack of something. We have a good knowledge about of everything, but we don't know about our emotion. So our emotion always leave me down. Like our emotion, it's not our control. So when you see the another gender, so your emotion you cannot control. If you have a good emotional knowledge, so you can support the co-education system. But this era is a lack of emotional knowledge. So you have to work on your emotional knowledge. Then you support the co-education.
You know what happens actually, like we are supporting in the supporting the part of the co-education, because in co-education you will get to know about how the things work basically. If you don't know about that another gender, you will not get to about that things as well, because in homes we have the brother and sister, that is something called blood relations. But whenever it comes to like the outside of the girl and of girls or the other women, so it is something that very illegal, where we also see like in the back in the day women were not treated as a not kind of humans as well, and also they were treated as a something commodity too.
So ma'am, I
Because-
want to stop you here that separate education is better because people don't distracted by each other genders. If you are student from a co-ed education, then you will see that the boys distracted by the girls most of the time, and they're talking all about the girls. So this thing I didn't see in the separate education. I mostly see in the co-ed education. So if you are living in a living today's era, there's many distraction today's, and you can't focus towards your goals. So it is really important to be just promoting the separate education.
You know-
by promoting, yeah.
You know, those students who belong to the separate education, they always chase to the girl and run behind the girl for proposing a girl. And we can find that when we walk on the road, the government schools boys always stand on the stand and they always tease to the girl, and you know, they disturb them. But on the other hand, co-student people never chase to the girl and they never run behind the girl. So there are the differences.
Okay, sir. So I want to cut your point because first of all, think and then speak. Right now, we can see the crime rates is increasing because of the girls and boys. They are because those people who are learning studies related to in a school. We can see which kind of problem they are facing related to the when we can see the girls and boys study together. They cannot focus on their study, and when they committed in their any kind of relationship, so they can do any kind of crimes activities for making their relationship with any girl. So maybe it is also the reason we can see. And another side, how you can say the in separate school, in separate education, there is no need to chance of distraction. There is no need of chance because
Sorry, I can't agree to this point anymore, because I found like some of you have said that like this creates a distraction. So I don't think so it creates a distraction. There are the many distractions that you have, like the mobile phones, that everything we have, but still you are distracted with the gender. This is something ridiculous. This is something you are physically attracted to someone. It is not that this is the goal for your life. So I don't think so it would be. So I think it would be taken as something neutral as well.
Yeah, I can say I'm cutting your point because we are like previous time all time distracting for girls because we are also learning the co-education. And this era I'm separate education, I learning separate education. As some person said to, we should make the like girls type of friend. Why I make a girls type of friend? Because at home my sister also like I made lots of fun with my sister. It's my also like one kind of friend also. So I don't like to outside make a like a relationship kind of thing. I don't like this. And I can say co-education that like disturb kind of thing also making the in this that class. And separate education all time not learning lots of things, not I can say disturbing kind of things.
I don't know, guys, which kind of mindset do you have, because I think that you all are from the oldest mindset, because as we all know that it's a developing era, so we all have a rights to study together, to speak together, and many kind of the rights. So I think that we should aware about this kind of things, and we should aware about the things whenever we are having. So I think that it's time to study together, and I think that whenever we are going for the interviews in any sector, so by which we can easily knows how to communicate with the person who are doesn't matter the girl and the boys who